that'll be it. Morning ritual is done. I think this is it for the little refractor here. We'll get that off. Stick the SCT back on. See how the guiding and the off-axis guider works on that. Yuck. Well, silver tape in all its glory leaves horrible stuff. Look at that horrible stuff. Well, nothing some isopropanol can't fix. Was using the little extra duct tape clamp to get some weight balancing assistance with that small refractor. So, might as well get this balanced. That'll do. Right, we are ready for galaxy season. Yahoo! Excellent, good stuff. Okay, so we have finished our wired field stuff with the Equinox. Nice little scope, but I'm done with the wide field stuff and got my Edge HD SCT on there. So going into galaxy season. Yes. So tonight, planning on some big target. Well, not like Andromeda, but Pinwheel galaxy, or maybe the Whirlpool galaxy. Something around Ursa Major, since it's nice and high in the sky. So that'll be good. Yes, I got my the off-axis guider on the SCT like I had on this. So I'll test how that works. So we have about just over 1 meter focal length on the off-axis guider. It's 1422 millimeters, well, give or take, on the on the main scope to the main imaging camera. So the field of view will be a lot smaller than it was here, and the f value, or the speed of that, will be, it was roughly calculated to 4.5 on here for the guide camera, and it's about 5 on the SCT. So it's not, it is a big difference, about 0.5. But anyway, hopefully I can catch enough stars to guide. Otherwise you have to pay a little attention to how you frame things in. So like, maybe what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually do my star alignment, everything first. I'm going to slew to a target, and then frame that in with the imaging and the mainly for the guide camera. So I got guide stars with my target framed in, and then I slew away to the meridian south, declination 0-ish, to start my guiding calibration. And then I can just slew back to the target again once that's done, and then I'll know that I'll have a guide star in view, and it will be framed as I want it. Yes, so we'll see how it goes. Yeah, that's it. See you tonight. Hello. Let me be the shadow.